Bhiwandi Branch. So I call Ruchika and the parents to please come on the stage. She has also secured 90% in the 10th boards. I request Uttam sir also to please join us on the stage. She has got 93 in English, 84 in Marathi, 95 marks in maths, 82 in science, 89 in social studies. And yes, students, very big thing is there that state board give the marks for the sports, extra marks, I guess you know. She has got 7 marks for the sports. That is really a great thing. So let's clap for her for getting 7 extra marks. And she is also getting a cash prize of 5,000 rupees.